Good morning to everyone. My name is Kabilan.
My name is Haripriya.
IMW project. Introduction. Basic royalty of a people is a car. Car consumes more fuel to run. Fuel taken by the car is non-renewable resources. For alteration of this problem, we found the engine which runs on a magnetic field of electric current by using a less power and a current crossing over more distance.
Material required for this project: 6 cylinder with piston, connecting rod and crank, 6 coil in copper wire, 6 sensor, 6 airtight suspensor, water tube, starter, axis rotator. Structure and design: place 6 engine cylinder on all requirements arranged in V shape. Each side consists of 3 cylinders using the copper wire surrounded at the end of the cylinder with coil structure. The airtight suspensor was placed in each cylinder inside in the length of 1/3 of cylinder. The sensor was placed inside of all cylinder to alter the flow of current. The water tube is placed in the top of the cylinder with all requirements in the shape of round for reduce the heat produced in the cylinder. The starter was placed in the axis rotator to start the engine.
Functional principle. Based on Newton's third law, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. For example, we take 2 cylinders, a cylinder on a right called A and cylinder on a left called B. For the current supplied to the coil A, make a magnetic field and piston located inside the cylinder move upwards to the coil and it compress the airtight suspensor and indicate the sensor. It stop the flow of current and it alter the current to the other side, and the piston in the other side move to the center by the magnetic field and it strikes and compress the airtight suspensor. By this method, the electric current is converted into magnetical energy and magnetical force is converted into rotational energy. By this process, the vehicles are moving.
Advantage of the engine: by using this type of engine, it reduces the consumption of fuel, which prevent global warming, less producing. A sensor present inside the engine cylinder which provides an animated image how the engine cylinder is working or any problem in the system. Because of the sensor is used in the cylinder, the use of engine to produce high speed and high velocity, which helps to push or pull the overweight. Application of IMW: this type of engine can be applicable for luxury car, sports car. Also, it provides high speed with high friction. The process of repairing or replacing will be cheaper and convenient method of it can replace or repair in a short period of time. Conclusion: by this type of engine, it can be eco-friendly to environment. While the emergency time, a small mini motor dynamo is present on the above of the motor, which convert electric energy from rotational energy, stores electrical energy in battery when the engine need electrical current to work automatically when the engine comes below 10% of power. Hence, this type of the engine is introduced by the IMW engine system. Thank you.
Thank you.